children. So today we are going to study algebra 1.1 question number 2. Previous lecture में हमने देखा था लिस्टिंग और रूल मेथड दोनों के बारे में. लिस्टिंग मेथड मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था और रूल मेथड आज के लेक्चर में पढ़ने वाले हैं. Before starting of that lecture, we had to study about symbols, few symbols. Okay, so how to read these symbols? Question number 1 is given here. Write following symbolic statement in words. Write the following symbolic statement in words. Statement in words. जो statement रहेगा हमें उसको words में convert करना है. 4/5 ये जो symbol है हमने इस स्टैंडर्ड में देखा था. This is called belongs to. इसे कहा जाता है belongs to. If I cross this, तो हमें उसे कहना होगा does not belongs to. Same as that, how we read equal or not equal, equal sign. So the same as here, belongs to, does not belongs to. If it is a very simple way, अगर ऐसा दिया हुआ है तो ये है belongs to. So how to read this? This is called set. This is called set. Q is a set. And this is an element. 4/5 is an element. How to read? 4/5 is an element of set Q. 4/5 is an element of set Q. मतलब set Q का 4/5 element है. Go for next. अगर यहाँ पे क्रॉस होगा तो it is a does not. It means does not. Go for next. Question number 3. P is equal to the set of P such that P is an odd number. How to read this? This is called such that. इस symbol को such that कहा जाता है और ये है आपका set. A है P is a set. How to read this? Then set P is a set of P of all PS such that, this is a such that, all PS such that P is an odd number. Got it? Go for next. Now, अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे रूल मेथड के बारे में. Rule method में for examples I gave you yesterday lecture. It was for example. So the same way आज भी वैसे ही हम करेंगे rule method में. I will take the same examples. Question number 1. Set A is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. See, you had to first find out which are numbers. Which are numbers? The numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And what is speciality of this number? Which means that what is the kind of number? What kind of number are they? These are natural numbers. Natural number. What is a natural number? Natural number, the number starts from 1. Okay. So all positive number which start from 1 is called natural number. Second one, और क्या दिख रहा है आपको? ये numbers even number भी है. Even number, the number which are divided by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are even numbers. Means even natural number. I got it. Set of x such that x is an even natural numbers. That's it. We got it. हमने सबसे पहले क्या किया? We found out that which are the numbers. These numbers are natural number. Second one, these numbers are even number. Means we had to combine them and we will get our answers. Answers are that x such that x is an even natural number. Hope you got it. We'll go for next. Question number 2. Question number 2 is that b is equal to set of 4, 9, 16. What is this 4, 9, 16? ये है क्या 4, 9, 16? 4, 9, 16. This is a natural number. पहली चीज. Second thing is that this is not even or not odd. ना तो ये इवन नंबर है और ना ही ऑड नंबर है. तो ये नंबर है क्या? See, definitely we'll get some kind of information. Look, come on, find out your answers. Answers are that 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16. Means these are square numbers, perfect square numbers. These are perfect square numbers. We got it. We'll get answer x such that x is a perfect square numbers between 1 to 20. Between 1 to 20. Okay. 1 to 20. Why I wrote 1 to 20? Because the number which are perfect square in between of 1 to 20. There is no other number. There are no numbers are there which are more than 16 or less than 4. 1 का स्क्वायर 1 होता है, 2 का स्क्वायर 4 होता है, 3 का स्क्वायर 9 होता है, 4 का स्क्वायर 16 होता है, 5 का स्क्वायर 25 होता है. Means that it is greater than 20. So I wrote only 20. Okay, go for next. Question number 3. Question number 3. This is our question number 3. C is equal to set of A, E, I, O, U. What is this? Come on, find your answer right now. हमने previous lecture में पढ़ा था इसके बारे में. So what are they? Alphabets. But which alphabets? English alphabets. And vowels. These are vowels. Vowels like A, E, I, O, U. This is a vowel of English alphabet. Okay, so how to write down this? The same X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. Very easy, very simple. Go for next. Question number 4. Question number 4 पे जाते हैं. D is equal to set of violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. What are they? Come on fast. Hope you got it. 7 colors. 7 colors means rainbow. Rainbow means color of rainbow. These are colors of rainbow. Very nice. Why such that Y is a color of rainbow?